Welcome to quiz time. We have an exciting and fun challenge for you. The Guess 50 Animals Challenge. The rules are simple. We have a list of 20 animals, and we'll take turns guessing as many as we can in 5 seconds. For each correct guess, you will earn a point. Make sure to keep track of how many animals you can guess correctly, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you guess this animal? It's alligator. Which animal is this? It's rhinoceros. Can you identify this animal? It's hedgehog. Can you recognize this animal? It's lemur. Identify this animal? It's wolf. Which animal is this? Yes, you guessed it right. It's an elk. Can you identify this animal? It's orangutan. Are you able to recognize this animal? It's armadillo. Guess the animal. It's baboon. Identify the animal. It's beaver. Can you recognize the animal? It's raccoon. Can you guess this animal? It's badger. Are you able to identify the animal? It's opossum. Which animal is this? It's chinchilla. Identify the animal. It's weasel. Can you recognize this animal? It's lynx. Which animal is this? It's panther. Guess this animal. It's tarantula. Can you identify this animal? It's walrus. Last but not least, what is the name of this animal? It's yak. That's all for today. How many scores did you get? Let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching.